And Jack's abstract pencil design is very colourful and full of movement. And colouring in different directions is a great way of making all the shapes stand out. Yeah, great pencil colouring from Jack. Hey, and that reminds me, you know when you've really worn your pencils out so they're just tiny little stubs, like this? Well, they're really fiddly to use, aren't they? And I bet you're tempted to just sling them in the bin. Well, don't. Don't waste them, because here's a way of making them easy to use again. Just take a strip of paper and roll it tightly around your pencil, like that, and then roll the pencil in the strip, like that, and then just pull it out at the end and pop on some tape to hold it into place, and there you have a pencil that's nice and easy to use again, plenty to hold on to, so you can now use the little stubby bit a little bit longer before you throw it away, and it doesn't go to waste. Good, eh? So where were we?